The Land Rover Defender has always been a symbol of rugged adventure and off-road capability. Over the years, it's evolved into a more refined and luxurious vehicle, which, while impressive, has caused some enthusiasts to feel that the essence of the original Defender is slowly fading away. The current Defender, with its plush interiors and advanced tech features, is a fantastic SUV for the modern world. But for those who miss the utilitarian charm of the classic, Restomods, custom rebuilds of vintage Defenders, are becoming a popular alternative. Among the standout companies specializing in these reborn legends is Legacy Overland. Their latest creation, a 1987 Land Rover Defender 110, takes the classic design and transforms it into something that's not only functional, but stunningly beautiful. It's a build that may very well make you reconsider whether buying the newest Defender model is the right choice. When this 1987 Defender 110 first arrived at Legacy Overland's workshop, it was in rough shape, covered in rust and worn down from years of hard use. It looked like it was far beyond saving. But what happened next was nothing short of magical. The team completely disassembled the vehicle, starting from the ground up, and rebuilt it into a true masterpiece. The chassis was thoroughly rebuilt, and the body panels were replaced with all new parts. The result? A Defender 110 that looks brand new but still retains that old-school charm that the modern version seems to have left behind. The exterior is finished in moorland gray-blue metallic, a color that not only enhances the vehicle's rugged look but also gives it a modern twist. The addition of this sleek color paired with its well-preserved boxy design makes this Defender a true head-turner. It's clear that Legacy Overland's goal wasn't just to restore the classic, but to make it a visually stunning, modernized version of the iconic off-roader. Under the hood, the 1987 Defender 110 features a completely rebuilt Land Rover 300 TDI diesel engine, which is paired with a ZF 4-speed automatic transmission. The front and rear differentials have been redone, while modern suspension components ensure smoother handling, no matter what kind of terrain you're tackling. Adding to the performance is a set of 18-inch wheels, wrapped in BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, perfect for off-road adventures. The brakes have been updated as well, providing better stopping power for the reworked chassis and engine. Inside the cabin, Legacy Overland has blended modern comforts with the vintage feel of the original Defender. The seats have been replaced with heated front seats and a new rear bench seat, offering comfort without compromising the rugged appeal of the vehicle. The dashboard and center console have been upgraded with black leather trimming, while the door panels receive the same attention to detail. One of the most notable additions is a modern audio system featuring a Sony double-din system with Apple CarPlay. It's a clever nod to the technological needs of the modern world, while still respecting the classic nature of the Defender. Even the steering wheel and gauges are upgraded, featuring a new design with bright red accents that add a touch of flair. The switchgear is all modern, yet retains a functional, utilitarian vibe. These upgrades ensure that while the classic analog experience remains intact, the vehicle still offers enough comfort and technology to make off-roading more enjoyable and manageable. For many off-road enthusiasts, the most enjoyable aspect of owning a classic 4x4 is the experience of getting your hands dirty, learning the ins and outs of throttle control, and mastering the techniques of off-road driving. Modern off-roaders, while equipped with advanced tech and features, sometimes take away the joy of raw driving. The 1987 Defender 110 Restomod strikes the perfect balance, offering a driving experience that's analog and authentic, yet with just enough modern convenience to make it enjoyable in today's world. If you've ever considered buying the new Defender, it's hard not to feel a little nostalgic after seeing what a company like Legacy Overland can do with a classic model. This build is a perfect example of how the spirit of the original Defender can be revived, offering an experience that is as exciting and adventurous as the vehicle's history itself.